Ever installed a Python package for one project and accidentally broke another? In this video, I'll show you how to avoid that using Python virtual environments on Windows. No IDE, just the terminal. We'll create a venv, install packages, prove your global Python stays clean, and export a requirements file. A virtual environment is a self-contained folder that has its own Python in its own packages, isolated from everything else on your system. That means each project gets the exact packages and versions it needs without clashing with other projects. Venv is the built-in Python tool that creates these environments. First, open the command prompt. Let's check our global Python and pip versions. This is the default install that everything shares. Now, let's see what's installed globally. You'll see we only have pip installed. We want to keep this global environment clean. I'll change the directory to my desktop using cd desktop. I'll make two directories, mkdir demo project 1 and mkdir demo project 2. Then I'll move into the first project folder with cd demo project 1. Before creating our virtual environment, let's confirm again that no packages are installed in this project folder yet. To create the environment, we use the command python-m venv venv. The first venv calls the module, and the second venv is the name we're giving our environment folder. Running the dir command shows the new venv folder has been created. This created a venv folder containing a copy of Python, pip, and a site packages directory to store our packages, keeping them fully isolated from our global setup. To use the environment, we need to activate it. Notice how the command prompt now starts with open parenthesis venv close parenthesis. This indicates that our virtual environment is active. Python and pip commands will now use the versions inside this folder, not the global ones. Let's install the request package inside our active environment. Now if we list the packages, you can see that requests and its dependencies are installed here. To prove the isolation, let's deactivate the environment and check our global packages again. As you can see, the request package is gone. It was only installed inside our virtual environment. When you're ready to share your project, you should create a list of its dependencies. First, let's reactivate our environment. Now, we'll use the pip freeze command to save the package list to a file called requirements.txt. We can view the contents of the file with the type command. This file allows anyone to recreate your exact environment. Now, let's deactivate and copy this file to our second project folder. Let's move to the demo project 2 directory. We'll create a new, clean virtual environment here as well. Now, we activate the new environment. We'll use our requirements.txt file to install all the necessary packages in one go. Listing the packages, we can see that our second project now has the exact same dependencies as the first, all installed from the requirements file. Now you know how to create isolated environments with venv, manage packages per project, and create a requirements file for easy replication. Use one VM for each of your projects. If this helped, like and subscribe.